Good morning. Thanks so much for your company. This Monday, the 14th of December, I'm Jessica Amir, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, restrictions are easing further in Australia, this time in South Australia, and Queensland has also officially opened up its borders, while the rollout of the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine begins in the US, with first jabs expected tomorrow. But when it comes to equities, the focus is still on when and if a near-term fiscal deal will be made, hopefully before US Parliament shuts on December 18. But right now, hopes seem to have somewhat faded and profits were taken off the table on Friday's US close. The S&P 500 fell 0.1%, the Dow rose 0.2%, and the Nasdaq fell by 0.2%. As for big movers though, we saw stay-at-home economy stocks mostly thrive. Disney, which is a top 30 company, saw its shares pop almost 14% to an all-time high after its Disney Plus service reached 87 million subscribers, and it also expects to have between 230 to 260 million subscribers by 2024. Microsoft and Etsy also did well, just to name a few. Meanwhile, travel and tourism stocks came under selling pressure, with Expedia down about 6%, American Airlines losing 5%. Commodity screens were pretty much mixed. The oil price is steady at a 9-month high, $46.57 US. The iron ore price, though, jumped about 1% to $152 US a tonne. So again, I'd be keeping an eye on iron ore majors today. And the copper price has eased. It's lost about 1% or over 1%, and the gold price is steady. So what to watch more broadly? Well, the futures are suggesting a flat start to the week, but you'd think the market will likely rise for the 7th straight week, with consumer spending, food, beverage and local tourism stocks to see a jump in sales, of course, as we get closer to Christmas. And keep an eye on flights into travel, as a court trial kicks off today, being accused, or FLT is being accused of underpaying a handful of workers over the past 13 years. FLT is a Morgan Stanley, UBS and Bell Potter buy with an upper $19 price target. Also a big week economically. The mid-year economic and fiscal outlook will be handed down later this week, expected to show a stronger bottom line than October's budget, thanks to a rally in the iron ore price, while spending is expected to have dropped given the pullback in JobKeeper measures. As for trading ideas that could be worth a look, the ship builder Austal was reiterated as a buy by Citi with a $4.30 target. Now, most of Austal's catalysts are in the medium term, and ASB is currently trading at 12 times forward earnings, which Citi says is quite attractive for long-term investors. Also, given the US, Australian and Philippine governments may look to stimulate their economies through shipbuilding programs, Austal's revenues could further rise. So keep an eye on ASB. And Asalio AHY was reiterated as a Citi buy after it received a takeover offer for $1.26. Now, Citi says the offer undervalues Asalio, particularly undervaluing their upside in revenue and earnings over the next 3 years. Plus, Asalio is also yet to see the dividends from investing in their brands and sales teams. Now, Citi expects earnings growth of 30% this year and thinks ETC's takeover offer will be bumped up. So keep an eye on Asalio. And lastly, keep an eye on McPherson's, Ava Risk Group and Audio Pixel Holdings, all showing strong bullish signals according to Trading Central. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Stay safe. Happy trading.